Look before you leap. Once a fox was chased by a tiger in a forest. He ran as fast as he could in order to save his life. But suddenly, he fell into a well which was covered with shrub that obstructed his vision. As he was running, he could not come out of the well. Now the fox knew that death had been waiting for him in that well. He was sad. Soon the fox heard a goat bleating nearby. He shouted loudly from inside the well to call the goat. The goat came near the well and asked him, "Friend, what are you doing there in the well?" The fox said, "Friend, have you not heard that a drought is soon coming in the country, and there will be no water anywhere? So I have come here to enjoy the sweet water of this well. The water is so tasty that I do not even feel hungry. Why don't you join me, friend? Just jump into the well and give me a pleasant company." The foolish goat believed the fox and agreed to join her friend. As she jumped, the clever fox placed one of his feet on her horn and escaped from the well. Now the poor goat was inside the well. She cried, "Friend, why do you leave me here alone? Come back." The fox said, "Friend, you should have looked before you have leaped into the well to see to see what see to see if it was possible for you to come out of it. You did not do that, and hence let you suffer." The fox left the place, and the goat lay in the well, counting the days for her inevitable death. So guys, this story is very nice story and kid story. This story especially for kids, very nice story. Here we are discussing how how, in which type they are doing, and how they are performing. Got how foolish got doing, and it means moral of the story is don't do like this got. Okay, don't do like this, because whenever you do anything, you should have to think first then do. If you outcome of that situations, then you should have to do. If you not, then don't do. Okay, and don't do like that got. So this very nice story, and here something which is very important. Some students know, those buddy who are watching this video, here some meaning we are discussing, like here is like meaning in a here, like a drought. What is the meaning of drought? If we discussing about drought, drought means होता है सूखा पन्ना, सूखा पड़ जाना. तो drought means that, and whichever it means कि which point you can't understand, just search on it Google and find its meaning and do fast. Okay, whatever meaning you don't understand, just find there and you search their meaning, you will find. Okay, and please try to speak in English. I am also try to speak in English, you also try to speak in English with me. We will meet you tomorrow. Bye bye, take care. If you like this story, then please like and subscribe.